EVERGEAR Drive is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on the research and development, manufacturing and sales of gear reducer products. Under the guidance of the corporate philosophy of Persist in heart, persistent in gears, EVERGEAR takes technological innovation as its core driving force, constantly iteratively upgrades technology. In EVERGEAR Provincial Enterprise Research Institute, we collide with wisdom from the School of Mechanical Engineering Department of Zhejiang Science and Technology University, Zhejiang Intelligent Manufacturing Research Institute of Wenzhou University, and are committed to international and domestic gear reducers in the research, development, and digital design of equipment. In order to build a new information-based smart factory, EVERGEAR has successively introduced smart factory management and control systems, such as MES Manufacturing Execution System, WMS Intelligent Warehouse Management System, and QMS Quality Management System, based on its own research and development of ERP Enterprise Resource Planning System, and comprehensively implemented digital transformation, continue to lead the transformation and upgrading of the industry. EVERGEAR has always focused on customer satisfaction, taken quality control as its life. In EVERGEAR's Intelligent Command Center, production data is gathered here. Timely and accurate real-time information makes intelligent manufacturing more efficient. The pragmatic and efficient lean production management model allows EVERGEAR's smart factory to operate at high speed. Constant, stable, and advanced production equipment and production workshops ensure the stable quality of each product. Precise, strict, and careful product quality inspection and quality control make every finished product more reliable and robust. The efficient, orderly, and intelligent warehousing system realizes fully digital operations, allowing us to respond quickly to customers and deliver and receive goods in time. Relying on the power of intelligent manufacturing, EVERGEAR already has 12 series of products with tens of thousands of transmission ratios, service system all over the country and even the world, full process services before, during, and after sales, combined with MES system real-time monitoring services for the entire product life cycle. Products are widely applied in chemical mixing equipment, environmental protection, sewage treatment, new energy vehicles, iron and steel metallurgy, road construction machinery, packaging machinery, plastic machinery, logistics automatic lines, photovoltaic unemployment, power cement equipment, train wheel hub equipment, textile equipment, port lifting in many fields such as heavy equipment, metal wire drawing equipment, shield machines, etc. Applied in China Railway Engineering Equipment Group, Nippon Group, Kofco Corporation, Seni Heavy Industry Group, Kunchai Group, etc. equipment and projects. The mechanical transmission aesthetics unique to EVERGEAR is empowering customers, increasing project efficiency, and assisting development.